Alright everybody, so first trial run. This is going to be my first cut and engraving on my new AtomStack Hurricane. Can't wait to see what comes of it. This is just a quick sample cut, so I've already set my focus. I love that it does an autofocus. So we're going to close her up and we're going to go ahead and tell it to start. Let's see what happens. Definitely need a higher speed for that, or a higher power. I think it should be more like a 60% and not a 0.06. Oh, I set the wrong parameter. That was just for a line. The engraving on this is just beautiful. So I need to reset my parameter. I realized for my cut part, so it needs to be 200. And I need to change it to 80. You're good, because it's up there. I gotta redo it anyway, so you're good. That is, I set the wrong parameters. Go with 60. Let's try 60 for my cut. Actually, we'll do 300. And we'll leave it at 400 and 60. How about that? I am so impressed by the engraving on this. So impressed. Wow. This is fucking insane, dude.
Not working.
No, I set it for a line cut rather than, or a line